Alright. It's here. I got a package, and from the title, you know who it's from. And of course, you don't even have to look at what the address is or who it's from. All you have to do is shake the box to know who it's from. So let's get the Bobby Brown. See here. Salty, you need this gear to be a better gardener. Cowbells to keep away the stray cows and curious deer. Some colorful carabiners to carabine with. And a good Swiss running knife to prune with. Kawabunga, Tardisius. Alright, thank you very much. So we got some carabiners to carabine with. Yeah, gold, red, green, and blue. Actually, these will go good with my motorcycle keys. Cowbells, yep. I'm going to be hanging these at the on my plants. Oh, I got some brass ones too. All right. And last but not least, it is a pruning knife. Sweet. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that'll prune some jalapenos. Good golly. Wee. Thank you very much. And been meaning to send you something. I'm gonna jump right on the computer right now and order it and send it on the way. So definitely deserves a lot of cowbell. Boom and bump.